Are you looking for mesotherapy products for skin rejuvenation, skin whitening, hair growth, fat dissolving, PDRN or collagen leaf injection? We have it all. If you would like to customize your own branded boxes or bottles with your logo, our team can make it happen. We can also customize formulas according to customer needs. For example, you can add PDRN, lidocaine or tranexamic acids, and so on. Whether you are looking for specific active ingredients or a unique blend, our expert team will scientifically formulate a new mesotherapy product based on your needs to deliver the results you want. Our customizations include: Number 1. Leading industrial design, exclusive company logo design. Number 2. Product customization. Number 3. Product packaging customization. Number 4. Label customizations, printed on the bottle. Number 5. Website design. Number 6. Provide sales materials such as taking product pictures and videos for free, formulating brochures or promotional posters. Number 7. Make one-to-one sales plans, clarify goals and product sales plans.
AOMA Co. Limited is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronic acid gel in the